Today we're tackling a topic that hits close to home for everyone: losing loved ones. Whether it's a breakup, a death, or simply someone moving away, that feeling of emptiness can be brutal. But what if I told you there's a way to approach loss that might actually empower you? That's where Stoicism comes in. Now, Stoicism might sound like something your grandpappy might have practiced, but trust me, it's more relevant than ever. The Stoics were these ancient philosophers who focused on living virtuously. And guess what? A big part of that is dealing with life's curveballs, especially the emotional ones. So how does Stoicism help with loss? Well, the core idea is this: we don't actually lose people. We return them. Think about it. The people who come into our lives, they enrich us, teach us, make us laugh, and maybe cry a little. But ultimately, they're on their own journeys, just like we are. And when those journeys take them elsewhere, it doesn't diminish the impact they had on us. It's like loaning a precious book to a friend. You might miss having it on your shelf, but you wouldn't want to keep it from someone else's enjoyment, right? Now, I'm not saying you should skip the grieving process altogether. Feeling sad is totally natural, but Stoicism helps you manage that sadness by focusing on what you can control. Your own thoughts and reactions. Instead of dwelling on the loss, practice gratitude for the time you had together. Remember the lessons they taught you. Let their memory inspire you to live a life that would make them proud. That's the Stoic way. It's not about being emotionless robots. It's about being emotionally intelligent. It's about accepting what is, appreciating what was, and moving forward with strength and grace. I want to thank you all for subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. So, if you're struggling with loss, or even the fear of loss, give Stoicism a try. If this video helped you in any way, smash that like button. Let me know in the comments what other Stoic topics you'd like to see explored.